Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tacos Dorados de Pollo using an easy method. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. This includes cooked, shredded chicken, corn tortillas, and a good cooking oil. Don't forget your favorite toppings like lettuce, crema, and salsa. We'll walk through each step to create a crispy, flavorful meal everyone will love. Next, let's prepare our main components. Take your cooked, shredded chicken and season it generously with salt, pepper, and any spices you enjoy. Then, gently warm your corn tortillas. This makes them much more flexible and less likely to crack when you roll them. A quick pass on a griddle or in the microwave works perfectly. Remember, a warm tortilla is key for easy rolling. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the best part, frying. Carefully fill each warm tortilla with a small amount of chicken, roll it tightly, and secure with a toothpick if needed. Fry them in hot oil until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy on all sides. Once fried, place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve these hot and fresh with your preferred toppings for an amazing meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.